Friday morning breakfast time. Look at this, Marla. There's Mom. It's raining outside. And
What?
Chico took a pee in the house.
He's kissing my booty right
So now he's acting like he wants to make sure he's friends.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, Marla, try not to spill all your milk on your lap.
Yeah, I will. Love you. These are my most precious. Oh.
Murph, say hi.
Hi. Well, say what's up.
Your mouth is full.
Okay. Hi. You got milk on me.
Ah! Ah! There's my funny girl laughing at my jokes.
What kind of trouble are you going to make today? Little bit? Or a lot?
I don't know.
You know, I don't make trouble. Chico brings bone.
Murphy, what is today?
Good boy, Chico brings
Friday.
Friday? What do you do at school on Fridays? Do you stay late for any classes?
No, we do our tests.
You do tests? Oh, spelling test. Actually, how come I didn't see any spelling words this week?
Well, they're right there because you have been busy.
I didn't see her math homework until yesterday, and I didn't see.
Well,
I haven't
looks like
seen
there's
it.
one common denominator, and it's you.
We got it all done though last night. It was easy ones. I was happy. It wasn't word problems.
No comment.
And there's always the homework helper, which doesn't always help.